Hello everyone, I hope you're all having a good Christmas Eve. This is a little bit of a different video for me, and I did do one similar to this last year where I did Christmas presents on a budget from Temu. I thought I'd do something a little bit different this year where I just do like a chatty present wrapping video with you guys. I absolutely love present wrapping and it's one of my favourite things about Christmas, and I thought I would just share that with all of you. And also this is going into my New Year's resolution a little bit because I'd like to do more like chatty, like casual videos like these in the future. So let me know if you want that, because I am totally down for doing that in 2025. And honestly, why wait until the new year to do stuff like that? Like, if you want to do something, just do it now. So do let me know in the comment section below if you do enjoy this video, because then that shows me that you like this kind of content and you want to see it more often. I have a bunch of presents in this sack here. I've also got Santa helped me out over here. These are all gifts that I got from my family. We've got my mum, my dad, my brother Jamie, my other brother Christian, and my cat, Cozy Kit. So I thought we could do a little bit of a Christmas present haul where I like talk you through the gifts and then we can wrap them up together. I just thought that would be super fun and festive for Christmas Eve. If you're watching this on Christmas Eve, this is the perfect video to get you in the festive mood. So let's get started. So the first present that I pull out of this sack is the one that we're going to be wrapping first. This one. So I don't know if you can see that from far away, so I'm going to have to come up close. This is a gift for my older brother Jamie, and it is the new, well, I don't know how new it is because I honestly can't remember when it came out, but it is the new Sonic X Shadow Generations game for the PS5, and he's been going on about this game forever. This game was released in October, so I didn't realise it wasn't that long ago that this game was released. And I got this from Amazon. I got Amazon Prime this year. I always get Amazon Prime at Christmas time because it's just more convenient for getting last minute gifts and last minute bits and bobs of Christmas. And it's the only gift that I got because it was quite expensive. Well, not like super expensive, but yeah, you know, some new games, especially new releases, are a little bit on the expensive side. We have a lot of gift wrap equipment here. We've got this green roll, we've got this snowflake silver roll, and we've got some robin wrapping paper. And we've also got a ton of ribbon because I like to make my presents look pretty. We've got silver ribbon, more silver ribbon, dark green ribbon, red ribbon. We've also got gold ribbon, like stringy ribbon, and some more gold ribbon. So we've got a lot of different pieces of ribbon here to use as well. And I am thinking of going for this lovely gold and dark green paper. I feel like it's going to be nice. And also I don't have much left of this, and this is just like a little game to wrap up. Be careful with the scissors if you are a child watching this. I sound like Mr. Maker when I say that, but it is true. Actually, everybody should be careful with scissors, not just children. I think he's going to be really excited. I have a feeling that he kind of knows that he's getting this already. I don't think I was very subtle when I asked him about it a couple of weeks ago when I bought it. But I really wanted to make sure that I was getting the right game. I don't want to get like the wrong game by accident. I'm not like super knowledgeable on PS5 games. There's a lot of tape here. So that is it gift wrapped. We need to spice this up a little bit though, because I would not hand a gift like this to somebody. I have to put some ribbon and some labels on it because we want to know who it's for. So I've got these labels from Shein. I don't know if you can see them from here, but yeah, it's got like little Christmas characters on them, like little snowmen and penguins. I couldn't think of the name of the animal one. I literally had a pen. Santa took my pen. This needs gold with it really, doesn't it? So these are the gold choices that I have. We have this like classic roll of gold ribbon that you can get from like Tesco's or whatever. I didn't really say where I got these ribbons from. I think these fabric ones are from Shein, and these are all from like, I think these are from like Asda. Yeah, these like classic rolls of ribbon are from Asda. and I'm pretty sure I got this from Shein a couple of years ago. I'm thinking of using the classic ribbon. I feel like that would look nice with this gift. Just that little curling thing. That looks cute. I'm gonna leave it like that. I'm not even gonna trim this like sides like I usually do, because it curls up. It just looks presentable like that anyways. That's Jamie's gift, nice and wrapped up. Jamie is my older brother. I can't remember if I said that. Jamie is a year older than me. I'm 23, he's 24, and he's absolutely obsessed with Sonic and always has been. I hope you like it, Jamie. I know you're going to be watching this on Christmas Day. So let's look in here. Let's look in my Santa sack, Santa or your Santa sack, and see what else we've got to wrap up. Next person is my other brother, Christian. My brother Christian, he is 14, and yeah, he's my younger brother. And unlike other teenage boys, he absolutely loves clothes, and he loves pajamas especially. The first pair of pajamas that we got are these fleecy pajama bottoms with Spider-Man on them, and I will admit that I tried these on before because me and my little brother, we're the same size, and yeah, these fit me. So Christian, if you're willing to share with me, because I am somewhat of a Spider-Man lover as well. But yes, this was in the men's section on George Clothing, you know, the Asda clothing brand. Yeah, that's where we got these. And then the next pair that I got him are these fleecy pajama bottoms with Scooby-Doo on them. Do you see that? The material on both of them are a bit different. This one has more of like a rough fleecy material, and this one's more like soft plush fleecy material. So we've got Spider-Man, we've got Scooby-Doo. He's not like into Spider-Man the same way as I'm into Spider-Man or like Scooby-Doo. He doesn't really watch the shows, he's not really interested in the movies, but he likes the characters and he knows about Spider-Man, he knows about Scooby-Doo. So I thought I'd get him characters that he knows of, because he'll think that's great. I think I'm going to wrap them up separately just because they're so bulky, and also he likes to unwrap presents. I'm thinking of using this silver snowflake wrapping paper. Let's go for it. Also with my little brother's gifts, I'm not going to bother with ribbon or anything like that because he finds it annoying when opening presents. Like, it's just too restrictive. He just wants to rip it open, and you know what? Good on him. When I'm wrapping up clothes, I'm always so scared when I do this. Like, you know, when you go to cut the paper whilst the clothing is inside the package, that I'm going to do one of those fails where I accidentally cut into the clothing. We don't want to do that. I'm always hyper aware of that when I'm wrapping up clothes. I think the wrapping paper, I think that's from Waitrose or Asda. It might be from Waitrose because it's very good quality, and Waitrose does have good quality stuff. I'm going to use Jamie's gift as like a leaning board for me to write on, because I always need something hard underneath a piece of paper when I'm writing, otherwise it goes all over the place. That's one gift for my brother. And then we've got the Spider-Man pair. They're so lovely though. I love the material. It's very soft and plush. They're cuffed as well at the bottom, which is always good for me and him because we're both a little bit on the shorter side, although he is taller than me now, which is sad to say. Use the tools that you were given. There we are. Oh no, I smudged the writing a little bit on the label, but that's fine. And this is the second gift that I got for my brother. Okay, let's see who's next. Let's do a lucky dip and find out. And one is a little bit dented, which I didn't notice that before. I think that might be my fault. Oops. The next couple of gifts that I got are for my dad, and this might look like a really rubbish present, but I swear he's going to like it. And also I have put some money towards some other gifts that he's getting. So I got these dad joke tins, and I found these on Vinted. They're from M&S, I think. Yeah, these are from M&S. So they're like posh dad joke cards. So we've got a tin here that says dad jokes on it, and I accidentally dented it a little bit, so sorry dad, but it's what's inside that counts. We got cheesy jokes, which are just literal jokes about cheese, which I thought was funny. And we've got knock knock jokes, and my little brother loves knock knock jokes and he'll think it's hilarious as well, so I thought that would be a win-win. The reason why I think my dad would love these so much is because for his birthday, I think this year, or maybe for Father's Day, I can't remember now, but one of his favourite gifts were these like cards that had dad jokes on them, and he gets them out all the time, and I just thought he'd love this, and it'll be a fun thing for Christmas Day as well, for like reading over Christmas dinner. I just thought it would be a little bit of a thoughtful gift from me. I got these from Vinted, so I didn't get them directly from M&S, but these are like brand new, never used, from Vinted. I absolutely love Vinted for that, because you can find some really unique gifts, and I was just looking for anything that I thought that he would like. So that's what I came up with. Okay, I feel like it looks better than it did originally. But it's still not great. But it is an odd shaped gift, and it is difficult to wrap odd shaped gifts like this where it's like curved. I don't know. Like that. And I think I'm going to use some of this fabric silver ribbon, and hopefully it makes it look a little bit less messy. I hope. Okay, there we go, that's the gift done. To be honest, the ribbon definitely does make it look a little bit better. Right, now we're moving on to another gift. The people we have left to wrap for are my mum and my cat, so let's see who's first. The cat! So this isn't technically from me, this is from like the whole family, and she does get treats like all year round, but she's got this Felix Christmas selection. So I'm thinking of using some of this robin paper now. I feel like we've used that silver paper a lot. Let's move on to the robin paper. Also, I feel like she'd like this paper. You know what I mean? You know why she'd like that? I wonder why. Like I said, my cat gets treats all year round, but having a Christmas selection, she is part of the family. She has to get a gift as well, you know. And I've made it too small. I hope there's some left over of this wrapping paper for my mum, because I was sort of saving this paper for wrapping my mum's present because she loves robins. I think there will be enough. Let me just check. There's not enough. No! Oh my gosh, my mum's gonna have to have the silver paper. I wanted to give her the robin paper. Use my foot again. Gotta use my foot. We're going to do ribbon just for the fun of it, because we're going to be unwrapping it anyways. Firstly, we can't forget the label. There we are. Another gift wrapped, and this one is for my cat cozy kit. Some treats. Last gifts are for my mum, and I did get her 2 gifts, and I got them from Yours Clothing. This is a pair of pajamas from Yours, and it's got Snoopy on it. I'm not going to take it out of the packet because I want it to be like, you know, brand new gift. And she did have a 5 gift rule this year. As a family, we're only allowed to get her 5 gifts. I kind of went against that rule a little bit, and I did buy her something else, but it's a practical gift, okay? It sort of goes with this. So I got her 5 pairs of full briefs, and it's an essential as well. Like, it's an essential. It goes with the comfy vibe of getting new pajamas. I have Robin tissue paper. Hopefully I have enough tissue paper to wrap this up in. Perfect. Obviously this isn't going to be the wrapping paper because it's very flimsy, but just for the sake of using robins, okay? It's the thought, you know? I really wanted to incorporate the robins in somehow. Okay, so I've wrapped those two gifts into the tissue paper. Now I'm going to wrap it into some proper wrapping paper now, so it doesn't actually like fall apart. Look, it looks posh now. It looks like it's meant to look like that. Use my foot again. My foot has been such a handy tool in helping me wrap these gifts. Ow. Almost pulled my teeth out then. There we are. It's wrapped up now. Gonna get a label. I'm thinking of Christmas tree. Looks like a gingerbread Christmas tree. And of course we have to do ribbon. My mum is like the only person who appreciates my ribbon accessory on all of these gifts. So we're gonna go all out. What shall we do? What shall we do? I've got green ribbon, but I feel like that's like too much. I'm thinking of going silver again. And that was my last gift. Bit of a mess over here, just to ignore that mess. So these are all of the gifts for my family, and I try to be as thoughtful as I can when I gift give. I like to really think about their interests and their hobbies and things that they like, and base the gifts around those kinds of things. I hope they all enjoy their gifts. I've made a bit of a mess on my bed here, so I'm gonna have to clean that up now. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Anybody who clicks on a video of mine and watches all the way through, I appreciate you so much, because I put so much into these videos. Even though I enjoy every minute of it, I just wonder if there's somebody out there who enjoys it, and if you enjoy it, that means a lot to me. But anyway, I absolutely love gift giving. I absolutely love gift wrapping, so I thought I'd do this as sort of like a Christmas Eve special. I hope you enjoyed it. If you want to check out any of my social medias, including Instagram, Facebook, TikTok or Snapchat, there will be a link to my link tree in the caption below for you guys if you want to check out any of those. Thank you so much for watching, and like I said, it really means a lot to me if you watched all the way through this video. Like, thank you so much for all the support. I'll see you guys in the next one. Also, have a very Merry Christmas. Bye.